Hi guys, today I'm playing Grand Theft Auto, and I've been been using the phone doing it with the other video, so yeah. Here, can you hold it?
Here, can I hold it? Yeah.
Wait. Sometimes to me and sometimes to them, okay?
Okay.
So guys, I'm just trying this helicopter, and I'm trying to park this on the freaking helicopter pad. Oh my gosh. So close. I need to park on the numbers, guys. Oh dang, that I almost crashed. Oh dang, I kind of crashed. Oh my god. A little up.
So tiny.
No, don't go close. You have to let it see the whole map. Like the whole thing. So go scoot back.
There. It's so tiny, though.
I know. Because this TV is tiny. That's why. Finally, I put this. So you guys, I just saved the game with that helicopter. So yeah.
What's your person doing?
Yeah. So I'm trying to find this balloon, guys. Like, guys, do you know, like, so did you know, like, there's like a balloon in GTA, and I can't find it. You know why, guys? It is way too freaking foggy, guys. Like, I'm gonna put the phone to the side, guys.
I hate this. You know what?
So,
I hate this video. You know why?
So, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. In the next video, I'm gonna drive that motorcycle with you guys. I'm gonna carry my phone with you guys. Okay? Bye.